Welcome back to episode 8. I'm feeling great. So here we are with this next unboxing, and it's looking really good from what I can tell. We got this BenQ, I don't know how to pronounce it, but I can tell you that this tape right here, it says BenQ. Oh man, they put this on just brilliantly. Look at this line here. I feel bad about having to make this incision, but let's go ahead and cut her open. Again, always wearing the gloves. Oh yeah, that's clean. Let's see how much this weighs. It's pretty light. It's probably about maybe 5 to 10 pounds. Which shows you this is going to be a very light monitor, you know? What you want, you can take it from place to place maybe. Oh man, this is a little skeptical now. Let's see. Who would do that? Who would package it so that when you open it, it falls out like that? I tell you what, if these people, they're gonna hear from my lawyers if this is broken now. Why did you order this fucking computer? I said! I'm sorry, I didn't realize that I had actually, it was right here and it was sitting the other way. That was my bad. I apologize. Yeah, this box is great. I'm sorry I got mad. This is some great packing right here. This styrofoam. Who cares about this shit? I don't even know what that does. This has a lot of purposes. It's got stuff to fit in this way. It's got some stuff that fits right here. Ooh-wee, okay, that is good. And now we got the monitor. I guess this is what we. Oh boy. This is great. I'm gonna frame this. It's like a perfect frame. They just give this to you. All right, well, I feel a lot better now. Thanks for watching. Until the next episode.